throw out of the pocket. And with a 22-point lead, you got to take
Oh my God! This one's a good one. Toyota Celica from the 1980s. Well, go Tigers! Well, the only thing better than having the 1980 Toyota Celica is a crawfish dinner. And if you West Georgian, you go Tigers. And nothing better than a crawfish dinner than 2 crawfish dinners. Well, this is hilarious. Hold on. Mom, turn the vent on when you get done in there. Please. Oh God, she'll stink up anything. But anyway, if I had a 1980 Toyota Celica model, probably gonna need brakes, probably gonna need plugs, probably gonna need wires. But anyway, after I get done eating my crawfish dinner, you know what I do? I put a motor in it.
Can I help you?